Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Galaxy S22 from Samsung, and David, the Samsung expert in the shop, is gonna fix it for us. So let's go! So we're starting off with a repair by removing the back cover on this Galaxy S22. And the good thing about these flagship devices are, one, they are very small but very powerful. Their compact nature is very good for people with small hands. Of course, it's not that heavy. And in terms of repairability, flagship Samsung devices are pretty easy to repair as long as you install the right components. And David here is our Samsung expert. His main expertise is everything related to Samsung mobile devices. And ever since he's branched out to Apple devices and other brands like ROG from Asus, so he can basically fix any screen from any modern smartphone. So we have removed the back cover. The adhesives on this one is pretty weak, so it might be that it has been opened before, because usually Galaxy S22 adhesives are very sticky. We're gonna unscrew the cover for the daughter board at the bottom here. The display is the back side, and we're gonna remove the cover on the battery. This is usually for the wireless charging and of course NFC. This is the first layer that will come out. It's also connected to the daughter board cover. And now we have our replacement display. So we're gonna test it by connecting this connector to our replacement display. And once we have done that, we can try to turn on the device to see if it works, and it does. So it's gonna take a while, but we're gonna cut the video just to speed things up. And the phone is starting. So it's got custom skin. I'm gonna test the cameras if they're working. I believe this is the front facing camera. And then the other camera, the main camera at the back, also working. So no problems there. We're gonna proceed now to our disassembly by turning off the smartphone. And right here, we can now fully disassemble the device. So we're gonna remove the main board or the motherboard, the battery, and then the daughter board at the bottom. We're gonna remove the SIM card tray, the connectors. So these Galaxy S22 are belongs to the flagship tier of Samsung's mobile devices. So once you disassemble the whole thing, there's not much. There's not many parts that are going around, so you can just keep track of them. So if you are actually starting out fixing your own devices, the best units to try to fix are the flagship units. But if you're not really that confident, you should just let the pros do the repair for you if you don't want to risk damaging your devices more. Just like this battery, it's really stuck in there with adhesives. We're going to transplant all the components we have removed from the old display to the new one, and then connect them all together. And that's it, we're almost done. So what's left is to cover everything up, put back all the screws, and it's good to go. So if you have any problems with your Galaxy S22 Ultra or your Galaxies from years ago, like S8 Plus, S10s, the Notes, if David has the parts for it, he will fix it for you. And Samsung's service centers are not even offering repairs for older devices, which is also sad. And moreover, it's pretty expensive when you go to a service center for Samsung. So just fix your old devices and save yourself some cash, and then upgrade later on when it's really sluggish and old and problematic. So that's the high time for you to upgrade. So we're gonna test the phone now. We're gonna use the built-in diagnostic tool for Samsung. We'll do the touch. As you can see there, it's all responsive. Because some screens have dead spots, this one doesn't have any. Passed. Of course, other components, just the final checks. And cameras are all good. We're gonna close this phone up, give it back to our client. And as always, we are happy that you watched this video. If you like it, click like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to have a conversation, if you want to have your phone fixed. Leave a comment down below. Message David through our Facebook page. Visit our website, sydneycbd.repair. Until next time, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.